but it's to one special problem that we're having here. This is the issue of bunkering. In some part of our states, moreover, the Ahoada East and the Ogba-Egbema, most of the bunker activities there, we believe, I wouldn't say sponsored, but there is this cooperation between the Army and some high top oil companies. I'm saying this because there is this road we're constructing somewhere in Ogba-Egbema. And each time we will approach the company, please, why don't you allow us to go ahead with our job? Maybe after a while we can. The military will always come and attack our contractors. I try to resolve the matter because I know it is not a directive from the Army headquarters, neither is it from the 6th Division. Might be relationship between the company and the officers attached to that place. So, but please, I want to appeal to you that you should look into such matters. Carrying out your primary or, will I say, some special assignment with companies does not give you power to decide for the states how things should be done. Please, I would like you to look into it. Apart from that, I think we already enjoy a very wonderful relationship with your people, and I can assure you that we'll continue to have that robust relationship. On your assumption of office, your target has been, as stated by the president of their country, is to ensure that there is peace and unity in all sectors. And on our part, as a state, we are already keyed into that vision to make sure that whichever way we can support, not just the Army, but all military formation to carry out their duties and to ensure that the purpose of their primary assignment are achieved, we have never relented on it.